So today's video, I'm going to be going over kitchen layout design and essentially kind of just the rules of what you want to do for a kitchen. So this one is really a peninsula kitchen with a breakfast nook and a pretty simple layout. I'm going to be going over the Ikea kitchen planner and then bringing those into Autocad, and yeah, let's get into it. This could be a long one. This is laying out the kitchen. This is where we left off. We designed the bathroom, laid it out, threw in our sink, tall storage unit, toilet, and shower. And now we're gonna lay out this kitchen. And essentially, this is super wide and a lot wider than I originally had a design for. Essentially, I'm gonna want to put a pantry here, a fridge, a couple drawer units, and then a cooktop and our island. So really, it's gonna be something like and so usually this space between here should be, I don't know, about 5 feet at least. And I know I'm gonna add a 24-inch cabinet, 30-inch oven, and another 24-inch cabinet. So that's 4 feet plus 2.5 feet. That's 6.5 feet. Essentially, this is roughly what we're going to be designing. The first thing I want to do is come onto my wall framing, and I'm going to come out 30 inches, and then I want to come over 42, snap to that. Deleting these, I'm going to offset 3.5. Now I'm going to come over here, copy this guy, snap there, hit rotate, honestly, and I'm going to hit mirror, move this over 3 inches. Actually, that's pretty decent. It's a little bit big of a door, but it'll be all right. So now we're going to hit polyline, select that, copy, put it over here, boom. Select those two, hit trim, boom, E/J, oop, E/J, E/J. Now we're gonna offset these 1/2 inch for our wall finish. This is gonna be a little bit of surgery. Trim, 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 /J. Move that to there. Go here. And that hatch disappears because the object I chose to have it hatched got broken. So then the hatch reappears when it's closed. Then I've got to adjust this. Okay, and now we're gonna go into a plan appliance. Most fridges are about, let's see here. Yeah, they're 32 by 36. 2. We're gonna close that. And then they've usually got like a 2.5-inch door. And go 1 inch. And I like to leave a I'm gonna leave a 1 inch clear over here. Put that on the def points layer. And we're just gonna go ahead and draw back. That's our fridge. And usually these are a little bit away from the wall, so they're probably like 2 inches away. So they always kind of stick in the room. That way this can hinge around it, that can hinge around it. Okay. That's it, we're done. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm going to draw a few things, a few dimensions we've got from that point. Now we're going to take all this and go into the Ikea planner. And this might be an expensive kitchen now that I added this much space to the width. Let's see how it turns out. So there's like an unspoken rule in kitchen design, which this is just the main tip before we get into the planner. So you usually want to have a triangle. So we're going to put our sink somewhere about here and our cooktop in the center here. And what you want to have is, they call it a triangle relationship. And you kind of want to have enough room, like 2.5 feet. So when this door's open and someone's washing something here or pulling something out of, let's say the dishwasher's here and the door's open. Sorry, this is kind of super muddy. That way, like, someone could get something out of the fridge while someone's doing dishes. Someone could be cooking while someone's getting out of the fridge, or someone could be cooking while someone's at the sink. And no one has like their ass or elbows, their butt or elbows next to each other. And this will probably be like the food prep area, cook, clean. I'm gonna keep that there. We're gonna go to the Ikea kitchen planner. We're gonna go ahead and hit create a new design. First thing it has us do is add the room size and shape. We essentially have a shape like this, where I want to make A open. How do I do that? How do I do that? We're just gonna go ahead and this 18 feet. All right, so we know this C is 42, or going to be 42. That's 42. And then we know D is 30. We're gonna apply. So now we need to know what A is. So A is going to be 191. 12'5", 11'5", or over 11'5". This could get tricky. I'm gonna go ahead and hit lock because I want to start adding stuff. Go ahead, appliances. We're gonna do ranges. Go ahead and do existing appliances because I don't want to buy Ikea appliances. We're gonna have regular range somewhere over here. Go fridge somewhere over here. This one is going to be a 36-inch fridge. And I don't care. We're going to put, so we need to know what that dimension is. That dimension is 9'4". There. Oh, look at that. Okay. And now we're happy. Okay. I'm gonna go to kitchen cabinets, base cabinets, 24 depth. I like to start in my corners. So we are going to do, I like these boxes without the lazy Susan. Yeah, right here. So what is this? This is, we want right there. I'm just gonna hide my camera for this one. All right, I'm gonna go to main. I don't want to have handles, so I like the, I'm going with kind of the design motif. I want to do like light lowers, butcher block top, and then dark fronts. So we want the Vox Torp matte white, because these have like an integrated pull on them. A shelf, you trust a countertop. I'm going to do none. I'm gonna buy one. Countertop legs, toe kick more. Section white, push open panel. Front filler piece is going to be change. Top matte white to match the Vox Torp matte white. And do a right panel? No, I don't. Okay. I'll go back here. Push this guy. And we're going to make this guy 31 inches. Just because. Want some space. We're going to set that sucker right there. Then we're going to go ahead and go to with drawers. An internal drawer? Not a big fan. Let's go back before we move it around. I want to make sure the front is Vox Torp. Wait, what is that? What is that? Matte white. Yep. Drawer maximum. Shelf. Countertop. None. None. More. None. None. We're gonna go ahead and see how this opens. Yes. Yeah, this one opens. These kind of open funky sometimes. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of that, but whatever. That goes there. And we're just gonna duplicate it. Boom. Now we've got tons of space here. I usually like these all to be equal. Let me delete it. Delete it. Let's go 36. It seems a little silly wide. 3 drawers. Yeah, that's a lot of space. So we're gonna do 24. I'm gonna do 2s. It's still a lot of space. Oh, I'm an idiot. 2 feet. Alright, here's what we do. Delete that. Delete that. Move this sucker over here. And we are going to add 2 30s again. And these are going to be just 2 drawer. I don't want an internal drawer. So, push this guy here. Maximera. More. 2 fronts, 3 drawers. Okay, now we got this one. I'm gonna delete it just so I know what I'm. So these are 2 fronts, 3 drawers. And I'm going to add a 24-inch. That is just 2 drawers. Put that there. Does it fit? There we go. $47. They're about 1 inch away. That one's good. That one's good. Okay, and then we're gonna put that guy in there. Everything clears. All right, now we're gonna go back to corner. Well, that's my corner, so I want to be 4 foot plus 30 inches is 6'6". So I want to be like 6'7". 6'8". Okay. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and put trash pull out. I know these are 24s, so I'm going to do 24 trash pull out. It turns the corner. So what I've got here is 2, just to think about it in elevation, let's go to 3D. We got 2 drawers, and then as we turn the corner, it goes to a full height. We turn the corner, full height, full height. So I want to make sure all my doors across here are full height, just so it, I don't know, architecturally it looks all right. We're gonna go back into floor plan. That's a trash unit. Now we're gonna go ahead and for a double bowl sink, I want these to be full doors right there. Click on it. Box top, drawer, countertop, none. I like these. These are actually really nice. I'm not gonna have a sink. Let's just go into more to make sure they didn't throw anything in here. So we're gonna do a cover panel. This is, if this is the front, that means this is the left, this is the right. So we're gonna do a cover panel right. We're gonna do a Tabra matte, which, you know what, it's all white. I don't need it. And then we're going to go ahead and go back to appliances existing, because I'm gonna buy dishwasher 24, say 24.5. Apply. That's there. So then now we're gonna go back, kitchen cabinets, 24 depth, and then so I've got full height, full height, full height. I want to do another full height. Let's see if they have it here. Do I want unhinged? No. Let's see. Doors and shelves. Pull out door, that's what I want. want this to be like my miscellaneous cabinet. I think I have enough room. This is just like the trash pullout. Wait, I can't go over 8 feet from here. So I'm 2 foot, 3 foot, 2 foot. So it's 2, 4, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can only do a 12-inch. That's all I can do. And why is I want to get butcher block countertops, and they only sell, like, I want to buy a piece here, a piece here, a piece here. That comes out to the overhang nook, and then another piece here. That's 8 foot. Right, over 8 foot. We'll see. There we go. That's what I'm gonna buy. Now I need uppers. Okay, so I need microwave hood. I don't know how wide these are. They're 30. So I don't know what this is. Let's see, let's go to maybe a 15 inch. 15 inch tall. This one is 20 inch. Delete that. Put this sucker right on this wall. And go to 3D view. Wish it gave a dimension here. Delete this one. This in. Floor plan. Trainer right there. It's gonna be at 4 foot. Go back to 3D. So I want to make, this is my color schema. Me and my wife were looking at like a white and black hexagonal backsplash. So we're gonna have white lowers, wood top to pull in the wood from the floor in the space. Then the white and black to transfer from white lowers to black uppers. So we're gonna do the, I think it's the Kongspa Atherkite. Yes, that's what it is. I'm not gonna have any poles because I want to drill and locate them, you know, at home. So then essentially I'm going to go to more. I want to cover left panel. Rotate this so we can kind of see. Look out here. And go back to floor plan view. This guy. I'm gonna check when I go into my items list. Let's go into here. Let's close. We're gonna go into items list number 9. See, I want to make sure this has a panel that's 15 by full height so it could cover the side of the microwave. Not like, you see how it's like kind of weird? So what we're gonna do is go ahead and remove. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cheat the system. We are going to remove that. We're gonna go into, so we have a 15 and then I want my others at 30 high, but with doors. And got about 4 feet plus an overhang. I got 5 feet, so I'm gonna do by 30, 24 by 15, 30 by 15 by 30. Okay. Make sure that's the Kungsta. Boom. That's what we want. And put that sucker right there, right next to that. And we want to put a cover panel left and a cover panel right. And we're going to steal that cover panel to go over here. All right. Do another 30. It's going to look funky. We're going to go to more. We got to do a cover panel right on this one to finish the right side. Okay. Now we're going to do 30, 30, 30. Dang, that might be perfect. I'm going to do 30. Put that sucker right. Rotate it. Move it there. There. Somewhere about 1 foot 1. All right, we're gonna do another and another. Dang it. Okay, I'm gonna delete that and delete that and delete that and do a 36. About 1 foot 1. Yeah, we're gonna do a 36, 30, and a 30. And then we are going to put a cover panel right. Cover panel left. We are going to put a cover panel right. Okay. This looks funny in this planner. So essentially, let's do line view. Essentially what we're gonna do is right here, I'm gonna use scrap of my countertops and I'm gonna have open shelves between here. And then I don't know, I'm thinking I might do open shelves here, like get rid of this, do open shelves. That way there's just not so much stuff, but I don't think so. So we're gonna have hexagonal tile, open shelves all the way up here. And then we are gonna, it looks weird that we're overhanging, but there's actually gonna be a breakfast nook that's gonna kind of align that to the countertop. That's using the Ikea kitchen planner to design a kitchen. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna transfer all this into Autocad and do it as a time lapse. Really hope this was helpful. This is just kind of my workflow on just laying out a kitchen using the IKEA planner and then bringing it into CAD to kind of just understand everything a little further. And yeah, if there's any questions, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, on the next video, I'll be laying out all the furniture.